now call on the Minister for Forestry, the Honourable Osea Naiqamu. You have the floor, sir.
Honourable Speaker Say, I rise to respond to the question raised by Honourable Vina Bardugar and provide an update to this August House on Fiji's tree planting initiative. The 30 million trees in 15 years initiative is an ongoing campaign that the Ministry of Forestry is most honored to coordinate on behalf of government and the nation. At a broader level, this tree planting revolution is aimed at renewing our people's appreciation of trees, forests, and nature as a whole. It is aimed at addressing climate change while also providing myriads of opportunities for socio-economic development. And in a post-COVID-19 era, trees and forests could help restore nature and mitigate against global pandemics. Honourable Speaker Say, since the initiative was launched in January 2019, I have visited 217 villages across the 14 provinces of Fiji, and I'm happy to state here today that Fijians have grasped the importance of trees and mangroves, and it continues to gain traction. A total of 614 villages, along with 80 schools around the country, have participated in this tree planting initiative. Business houses and non-government organizations have also played a part through their individual corporate services responsibilities. Honourable Speaker Say, 2.3 million trees and mangroves covering 2,000 hectares have been planted in just 20 months. Food security is also vital, especially in this challenging time, which is why the planting of fruit trees and the adoption of agroforestry practices is part of the tree planting initiative and is weaved into this plan for its successful implementation. The tree planting initiative ensures the involvement of all dedicated Fijians, from seed collection to raising seedlings and planting them as well. Therefore, I take this time to thank all the pairs of hands and for everyone's combined effort in this tree planting initiative so far. Honourable Speaker Say, as we prepare to celebrate the 50th anniversary of our beloved nation, the Ministry of Forestry is also encouraging people to join us in planting trees as part of the build-up to the celebration on the 10th of October. I encourage my fellow parliamentarians and people of Fiji to follow the Ministry Forestry's Facebook page for tree planting events that you can participate in across the country. If you cannot join us at one of these events, just let us know every time you plant a tree by completing the 30 million survey on our website, www.forestry.gov.fj. Honourable Speaker Say, we have established a dashboard to keep track of our tree planting revolution as well. Thank you.
I thank the Honourable.